Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to BONK Update today, and this is maybe a trading opportunity for you. This is probably the trading opportunity for you to try to enter BONK at a very cheap price and a very good trading pattern. Now it's simple, you've made the rounded bottom, you've broken above, and this was a little bit of a very weak retest here. So this wick has already been closed out. We've taken out the wick, and at the moment there was some stop losses down here. It came down, took the stop losses, and I think this is the ultimate entry, probably with a stop loss probably down here at 2486. The most you can do is even 2560, but the best stop is actually going to be down at 2476, right? So this is I think an opportunity again, and the first target for me is of course going to be 3952. So maybe that's going to be a push of nearly, this is going to be 37%. So the risk is a little bit big, it's like 13%, but that's actually the best stop loss. Normally I won't recommend you to go above 5% of risk, but yes, I think that the coin itself is worthy of trying. You can actually try out the trade. I just want to see the 4-hour time frame as well. You can see that we are holding the 55 EMA as well. We have closed really nicely, and I think this is nothing more than a drop for the retest, just to start to push and maybe go up to 3952, maybe even starting by tomorrow, because normally in crypto Tuesdays are meant for stop losses. Monday, Tuesday are meant for stop losses. The pump actually comes at the middle of the week, which actually is between Wednesdays and Thursday. So even tomorrow can actually be a little bit sideways, but not too much. But let's say in the midnight tomorrow, that's like 24 hours away from now, you may really start to go to the upside. The pressure may start to reverse and go to the upside all of a sudden. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.